The words you use in business can make you sound broke or premium. Here are words you should stop saying. Don't say buy, say instead. Invest. Buy sounds temporary. Invest sounds long term. Don't say problem, say instead challenge. Problems feel heavy. Challenges feel solvable. Don't say customer, say instead client. Customers buy once, clients build relationships. Don't say cost, say instead value. Cost focuses on money loss. Value focuses on money gain. Don't say try, say instead experience. Try sounds unsure. Experience sounds confident. Don't say cheap, say instead affordable. Cheap lowers perception. Affordable keeps quality. Don't say price, say instead package price is a number. Package is an offer. Same business, same product, different words, different results. If you want to sound more professional, confident, and premium in business, comment more.